COVID-19 shots linked to autism in vaccinated rats. From the authors of this peer-reviewed study, it's imperative to recognize the limitations of our research given that it relies on animal models. While I'm not a scientist or a medical professional, it seems odd that they did not bother to test the shot on rats before recommending it for 74 million American children. The rats in the study were pregnant. Speaking of pregnancy, here's a headline from January 2021. Pregnant women not advised to get Moderna's COVID vaccine, WHO says. 3 days later, the decision was reversed. During that time, pregnant and lactating medical professionals posted pictures on social media boasting about getting the shot. From my understanding, this is the first vaccine to ever be tested against an inert saline placebo. In other words, all pediatric vaccines are experimental. Was this agenda to protect these unborn children, or do the powers that be view Americans as lab rats? There was a discussion about this study on Twitter, and of course people were outraged. Here's that tweet as well as this response. Will this public decapitation be the outcome for those involved? There were some doctors who were publicly speaking out against the shot. One of them was the late Dr. Vladimir Zelenko, who allegedly treated Trump for coronavirus. While he provided documentation of the dangers of the shot for pregnant women, interestingly, he also spoke about decapitating a certain subset of the population.
All these demonic forces, we have to categorize them, we have to understand what they are, because it's going to fall upon us to decapitate them.